everyone, I'm going to show you how to upgrade ChatGPT free to Plus. So if you're currently using the ChatGPT free plan, so upgrading to Plus is pretty straightforward. So open ChatGPT in your browser and log in to your account. Next, so there are different ways to upgrade your plan. So first, go to the bottom left corner and you should see the upgrade button in there. Click on that to upgrade your plan. Now, next method is to click your profile in the bottom left corner and choose upgrade plan. Next method, you can click your profile again and go to settings, then look for billing, click on it, and click upgrade. Now, once you're here, so what you need to do is to choose Get Plus. So here you have ChatGPT Go, Pro, and free plan, and you also have business at the top. So we're gonna click personal and we're gonna click upgrade to Plus right here. So let's click on that and you'll be taken to the payment method. So you can review the subscription and payment details. So you can click this box right here to enter your card number and your expiration date and security code. So once you put in all those details, you can then click subscribe right here.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
So complete the payment to activate ChatGPT Plus. You can also pay using your credit card, your savings account, or Google Play, depending on your device. So ChatGPT Plus is currently $20 per month, so it's billed monthly. So it provides higher usage limits and broader access to advanced models and features compared with free plan. And that's it. Thank you for watching.